how you can make your first 500 US dollars net profit with ClickBank affiliate marketing using Google ads, Google pay-per-click ads. Now in 2025, when I'm making this video, the most important thing you have to understand is you cannot just have one landing page, one funnel, and hope you're gonna get sales on Google. No, it doesn't work that way. You need someone who can help you one-on-one, step-by-step, hand-holding you and show you exactly how things are done. You see, my friend, when was the last time, ask yourself, have you ever heard about emotional states, core emotions of your markets? Right? We have, for example, weight loss space. Did you know that in order for you to get sales with weight loss supplement, Nutra offers, CPA offers, whatever you want to call it, you have to understand who is your audience first. You have females, you have males, different age brackets, right? You have to understand that language patterns are different. We are not making the same ads for females that we are making for males. We are not making the same ads for low emotional states that we are making for high emotional states, right? So you have to understand what is the core emotion of your market. And then you have to know, do you have to use storytelling ads or not? Or short copy or long copy? All this matters. Now you don't have to learn that. All that can be done for you. All you have to do is get started, have someone who can help you one-on-one, personally, over the Zoom call, set up your Google ad campaign, starting with $5 to $10 per day, and then scale from there, right? Because most people are afraid to spend money on Google ads or Facebook ads. Why? Because they wonder, heck, I'm losing money, I'm going to lose money. The right mindset shift to understand, my friend, is this. You're investing money to get data, to know what's working. No, I'm not split testing like many gurus teach you. Split test. Split testing means you don't know what you're doing, right? I have 3 done for you ads, 3 winning ads that have proven to work, high quality landing page, quiz funnels, right? With functional questions. Remember, everyone is competing for people who are in the solution state. Though, if you have 1 million people right now on Google, 10,000 to 30,000 people right now are ready to buy. The rest are not ready to buy because they are not problem aware. They are not even solution aware. So everyone is competing from that small bracket of people, right? That's why they are competing. But the smart super affiliate, the smart marketers, what we are doing is we understand we can put 900,000 people that are left out on the fence, sitting on the fence, put them with the right messaging into the problem state and then move them slowly into the solution state. When they click on your VSL, on the ClickBank video sales letter, they buy the product, right? And you don't have to worry or compete. Oh, is my ad account going to get shut down? We are not doing black hat, we are doing white hat. Following the rules of Google, so we avoid getting our ad account shut down. And then, of course, having the right messaging. You need the right message to the market match, okay? That's the name of the game. And having the right buyer's intent. You see, attention without intent is curiosity clickers. People who are only curious, they wanna click on your Google ad, oh, not for me, bye-bye, you lost money, right? But if you know what you're doing, one person, right, if you have attention plus intention, buyer's intent, it's sales. It means sales, automatically. Why? Because, like, for example, my friend, one person, like for example, when I'm promoting on ClickBank product that costs, let's say, pay me $300 US per sale or $500 per sale with all the upsell take rate, right? I always look for high quality products because I know that there is 50 to 60% upsell take rate. So people are gonna buy $50 front end product, maybe ebook, and then they're gonna buy weight loss supplement for $280, right? And that's how I make money. I spend $30 in a day or $100 in a day on Google Ads, and I get $280 back. From only one person, not including others, right? Because one person is going to buy whole funnel. That's why I always do the math, the economics behind affiliate marketing to understand, okay, what is the whole funnel value? Okay, front end sale is $50 for this ebook or $37 or $7, and then upsell for $50 and upsell for $97 and downsell. And I calculate, pull the line, $300 profit from me if one person buy all the upsells. And it happens many times because the products works. I've proven to be high quality. So it's easy. Naturally, it will allow you to be able to become really great at marketing, spending 20 to 30 minutes per day. 20 to 30 minutes per day, and you can do this no matter where you live. You don't have to be IT expert. You don't have to show your face on camera, right? All this can be given to you if you have someone who can help you one-on-one, step-by-step. I also have a free Facebook group where I share deep psychology of marketing, deep layers of affiliate marketing game, so you know exactly what is working in 2025. And you can also ask questions. So below is under this video are the links, my Facebook, my Instagram. I travel to over 65 countries now thanks to affiliate marketing, and I always share what I'm doing so you can replicate and duplicate in 2025. So all you have to do is connect with me one-on-one, Facebook Messenger, email, WhatsApp number. Everything is in the description below. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more helpful tips.